ठीक है.
that particular name is seabird. And FOK also aware of this, and your forest minister is also aware of this. Since it is 25 ton weight, the trolley which we have taken to carry that, it has not taken the weight. So it was very risky. Then again with the crane we have discharged there itself. Then we thought to take a help from local people who are very practically they know the river. Then they said we will come with the 4 local small pati we called it. Here is the pati, small without having any rescue or something like that. They went inside and they have hold Mr. Ishwar's people. That also Ishwar can confirm whether that people, our local people, have helped as good as it is a pontoon work they have did. And Ishwar went to all 4 locations as given by Army, Navy and reconfirmation what we have did with Indra Balan. And all 4, out of 4, one last point, we are facing some wire problem, which is that high tension wire fall in this water, river. That also today, with the help of KPTCL means power people, we have tried and we have removed that, or something happened and it has got cutted and it has cleared. Even though thereafter he has tried, and because of this clay water inside, he couldn't found, and inside the water clay is there. On top of the clay, rock is there. On rock, again that banyan tree is there. Banyan tree is like this. This is a more than 4 times size of this particular thing. That also he found, and yesterday he struck with some leg or something in that particular banyan tree also. Then he raised the hand, and their rescue team went and they have taken him back, and again without any hesitation, again he has tried. Today also he has tried. Because it is a challenge for him. He has done more than 50 rescue factors in various places. And the day when he has came, he has given the guarantee that I will see that it will, something positive you will get. But unfortunate, we didn't get anything. But today, after this thing, now we have called the hydrographic surveyor also, and he also told that this river is very risky now. Next month, another 21 days rain is there, and for that it is very difficult to work in this situation. Even though I talked to one DC from Trichur, somebody has helped me from Kerala only. He told I don't want to tell, my friend, he has told, and I talked to DC, and he is having crane mounted, pontoon mounted grab vessel. But it is also the same situation whether we can bring from the road. SP sir told that if anything is required, DC and SP told that we will close the road and one by one from Karnataka we will bring inside, no problem. Like that, till now I have spoke to CM Sahab, DCM Sahab and our revenue minister. Now I am talking to our local minister also. And that picture also I will show you here. This how the machine is there. Okay. Then this machine, already I have sent the message that Baba you start from there. Whatever the plus minus fees or any requirement of the documents, we are ready to do that. But it will take minimum 3 to 4 days. And with 3 to 4 days, Ishwar told, if the river is calm, immediately you call me. He will be here within 3 hours, he told. Okay. And depend on Mr. Ishwar and this particular machine, if it is coming early, then we will start the process. And I call Director of Ports also, Mr. Swami is here from the left-hand side. And I am talking to him with the draft and all this thing. It is a 0.7 meter draft is there. It is a very good draft. If we can bring it here, we can push from here also. That methodology we have. And that is subject to their clearance with the road and all. It has to shoot in the trailer. From the river or from the sea, it is not possible because sea mouth is totally rough. Yesterday also I went. Today also some people have told that some sort of smell is there. Immediately we rushed with SDRF and we have seen there, but nothing was there. Some fish, dead fish we got. That also we have told them this is nothing but this smell of it is fish also. Then they have confirmed because totally more than 50 to 100 people were there. Then immediately our Ishwar came to that spot and he told, I will, if you want, I will dive. Then he also confirmed that this smell is not on that particular, this is only fish. And after that, we were trying from this side. Now it is very difficult to say all this. Now evening, our district meeting is reaching in Karwar. We are having one more meeting. What is next course of action we have to take? And already we are talking to CM and Deputy CM also. Now we will have to take a call after once he is reached in Karwar. So this is the position. Nothing has been hidden or nothing has been taken wrong statement or nothing like that. It is very crystal clear because with our brother Arjun, our people are there again and again. I am saying there also his daughter, our Jagannath's daughter is requesting us to bring one shirt what he has weared. At least some bone also she is telling like that. It's our duty to work on both the sides. We know we don't have that type of differentiation between Kerala and all these things. We are all Indians. We have to work together. Our district administration, police department, SDRF, NDRF. Particularly, I am again taking Ishwar's name. Okay. And with Ishwar's efforts, today NDRF person also told that I will also go to the water. It is how we have tried our level best, but we are not achieved. And till the further course of meeting and all these things, we will take the decision and we will call you back.
Sir, this vessel